In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 9S, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all your downloads. First of all, you need to find an app called File Manager and click on it. Then scroll down, select Agree and Continue, and hit Allow. Then tap on Consent, select Cancel or Try in a new feature pop-up, and finally tap on clock icon at the top on the left. Then select the Bluetooth and downloads, and as you can see, all my downloads are over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!